In this video, I'll talk about how to prepare a child with autism for an air travel. As I mentioned quite a few times in my previous videos, any changes such as changing routine, a new environment, or unexpected events can disrupt the familiar structure that individuals with autism rely on. This disruption can lead to increased anxiety, confusion, and difficulty adapting to the new situation. The stress experienced by children with autism during these times may manifest in various ways, including increased agitation, withdrawal, meltdowns, or a regression in behavior. What can we do and how can we manage these challenging behaviors when it comes to air travel? Here are some steps you can take to help make the experience smoother for both the child and family. First, familiarize the child with the airport and airplane. Show the child pictures or videos of airports and airplanes to help them understand what to expect. You can find resources online or use social stories specifically designed for individuals with autism to illustrate the process of flying. For example, you can video record one of your trips that involves flying and present the child with that video. Or you can find a video on social media that includes a detailed presentation of the airport staff and the crowd that the child may see in the airport. Second, use visual schedule. Use visual aids such as schedule or visual timelines to help the child understand the sequence of events during the trip. This can include activities like packing, going to the airport, passing through security, boarding the plane, and arriving at the destination. Third, plan and visit the airport in advance. If possible, visit the airport a few days before the trip for familiarizing the child with the environment. Walk around the terminal, point out different areas, and explain what happens in each location. This visit can help reduce anxiety and provide a sense of predictability. Fourth, practice the process. Role play the airport and flying experience at home. Pretend to go through security. Pack a bag and board an imaginary airplane. This rehearsal can help the child understand the expectations and reduce any potential surprises during the actual trip. Fifth, pack comfort items. Make sure to bring items that provide comfort and familiarity to your child. This may include their favorite toys, blanket, or sensory items that help them stay calm, such as noise-canceling headphones or stress relief toys. 6. Communicate with the airline. Contact the airline ahead of time to inform them about your child's needs. Airlines often have specific services and accommodations available for passengers with disabilities. Discuss any special requirements your child may have, such as early boarding, seating preferences, or sensory sensitivities. 7. Plan for sensory needs. Airports and airplanes can be overwhelming due to their noise, crowds, and unfamiliar sensations. Consider the child's sensory sensitivities and bring appropriate strategies to manage them. This could involve headphones to reduce noise, sunglasses to block bright lights, or weighted vest and weighted blanket for calming pressure. 8. Social story. Use a social story to prepare the child for the trip. Describe in the story the security screening process to the child in simple terms. Talk about removing shoes, going through the metal detectors, and having bags checked. Emphasize that these procedures are in place for safety. 9. Manipulate the environment by adding reinforcers. Bring snacks and activities that the child enjoys. Familiar and preferred snacks can provide comfort during the journey. Also, consider bringing entertainment such as books, coloring materials, or electronic devices with their favorite games or movies. 10 and last, be content. Have a calm and patient attitude. It's important to stay calm and patient throughout the trip. Children with autism may experience anxiety or meltdowns in new environments. Respond with understanding and provide reassurance using calming techniques you know work for your child, such as singing, drawing, taking breaths, using stress balls, and others. Remember, every child with autism is unique, so adapt these strategies to meet your child's specific needs. By planning ahead, providing visual support, and being prepared for potential challenges, you can help make the flying experience more manageable and enjoyable for your child. I hope this video provided you with the needed information to better prepare your child for an air travel. If you have any questions, make sure you type them in the comments below and I will do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.